If you blocked a number on your iPhone and now you want to unblock it, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is the most up-to-date method because Apple recently changed where this setting lives, and a lot of other tutorials out there, they are now pointing you to the wrong place. Stick with me to the end and follow each step in order. If this helps, consider subscribing. Let's start with the main method that works on the newest iPhones. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Now scroll down again and tap Blocked Contacts. This is the list of every number, contact and email address you've ever blocked. If your iPhone is an older version of iOS, you might not see Blocked Contacts under Privacy and Security. In that case, you'll have to go into the main settings page, scroll down and tap Phone instead, and you'll find Blocked Contacts in there. Both paths open the exact same list, so use whichever one your phone shows. Now to unblock someone, find their name or number in the list. If the number isn't saved as a contact, it'll just show as a plain phone number. That's normal. Tap it on the top right corner, then tap the red minus button next to the number you want to unblock and tap Unblock to confirm. That's it, the number is removed from the list straight away. There's also a quicker way if you prefer. Instead of tapping edit, just swipe left on the number and tap unblock. Same results, one less step. Quick tip, once you unblock someone, you're letting them through on everything at once. Calls, text messages and FaceTime, because your iPhone keeps a single shared block list. There's no separate list to undo for each app. And one more thing to know, the person you unblock gets no notifications at all. So they won't know that they ever got blocked or unblocked. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like the video as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe for more videos like this. This is Abdul signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.